Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn difference between syntax and logical errors from unit 5. Before understanding the difference between syntax and logical error, first we have to define what are the errors. Errors are bugs. When programming, there can be errors. Error An error is an unexpected output of the program. These errors can affect the proper execution of the program. Therefore, it is necessary to remove all the errors. Errors are mistakes. Errors are the mistakes that occur during programming. An error is also called the bug. The process of identifying the errors and fixing them is called debugging. Means the identifying and removing process of your errors or bugs is called debugging process. So in simple way, जब भी हम प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं तो उस प्रोग्रामिंग के दौरान कोई भी मिस्टेक हमसे हो सकती है, कोई मिसहैप हो सकता है, कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट जब हमें प्रोग्राम से मिलती है तो वो किसकी वजह से मिलती है, एरर की वजह से मिलती है। और ये एरर्स जो है हमारे प्रोग्राम की एग्जीक्यूशन को भी अफेक्ट करते हैं। सो इसलिए हमें ज़रूरी है कि इन एरर्स को रिमूव करें। इन एरर्स के रिमूव करने के प्रोसेस को पहले हमें उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना होता है, फिर उनको फिक्स करना होता है, मींस के रिमूव करना होता है। तो ये प्रोसीजर फिर क्या कहलाता है, डीबगिंग का कहलाता है। लेट्स एक्सप्लोर what are the syntax errors or syntax bugs. Each programming language has a specific syntax. हमने पहले भी बात की थी कि प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस लाइक ह्यूमन कम्युनिकेशन लैंग्वेजेस ही हैं। जिस तरह हम ह्यूमन कम्युनिकेशन में यूज़ होने वाली टूल लैंग्वेज को यूज़ करते हैं तो उसका प्रॉपर सिंटैक्स एंड ग्रामर फॉलो करते हैं। आप इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं, उर्दू पढ़ते हैं, तो उसके अंदर आप उसका प्रॉपर सिंटैक्स जो है, उसका ग्रामर फॉलो करते हैं, तब आप उसके अंदर एक करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट लिख सकते हैं, ऐसे लिखते हैं, एप्लीकेशन स्टोरी राइटिंग जो भी आप करते हैं तो उसके लिए प्रॉपर सिंटैक्स को आप फॉलो करते हैं। अगर ये सिंटैक्स फॉलो नहीं होता जब, तो वहाँ पर क्या होता है, मिस्टेक्स आ जाती हैं। वो मिस्टेक्स हमारे पास प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस में भी आती हैं। तो वो मिस्टेक जो हम प्रॉपर सिंटैक्स फॉलो ना करते हुए करते हैं वो सिंटैक्स के एरर्स कहलाते हैं। द प्रोग्रामर शुड फॉलो द करेक्ट सिंटैक्स टू राइट द प्रोग्राम। When there is a syntax mistake, it is known as syntax error. जब आपका syntax error आता है तो वो कौन सा एरर होता है, जो कि आप उसके syntax को फॉलो ना करते हुए करते हैं। When there is syntax mistake, it is known as syntax error. A line is encountered that contains an incorrect sequence of characters, such as unmatched parentheses, misspelled commands, error statements, incorrect punctuation. This error causes GWBasic to display the incorrect line in edit mode. ये जो आपके पास सेकंड डेफिनेशन आ रही है, ये एग्जैक्ट आपकी डेफिनेशन है जो आपकी बेसिक लैंग्वेज के लिहाज से सिंटैक्स एरर को डिफाइन करती है। कि सिंटैक्स एरर जिस तरह आप बेसिक लैंग्वेज में आगे चल के जब प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे तो वो लाइन बाय लाइन प्रोग्रामिंग होती है, लाइन बाय लाइन एग्जीक्यूशन होती है उसकी। तो एक लाइन जिसके अंदर इनकरेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स आता है, वो इनकरेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स क्या हो सकता है, एक कमांड का मिसस्पेल करना आपका, या आपने जो प्रॉपर पैरेंथेसिस का मैच करना होता है ओपनिंग स्टार्टिंग पैरेंथेसिस के साथ, जो आपने लिखनी होती हैं कमांड्स सिंटैक्स के मुताबिक, वो नहीं की हुई होती, या स्टेटमेंट को आपने मिसस्पेल किया हुआ होता है, या उसकी पंक्चुएशन का ख्याल नहीं किया होता। तो सूरत में हमारे पास जो एरर्स जनरेट होते हैं वो कौन से होते हैं, सिंटैक्स एरर्स कहलाते हैं। और जब ये एरर आपके पास आता है GW बेसिक में, तो वो उसको डिस्प्ले करता है लाइन टू लाइन इन एडिट मोड। आपकी वो लाइन किस में आ जाती है, फिर एडिट मोड, मींस के उसकी करेक्शन के लिए इंडिकेशन आपको मिलती है, एरर मैसेज आपको मिलता है कंपाइलर या इंटरप्रेटर की तरफ से। अब बेसिक लैंग्वेज है तो ये वो हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज है जिसके अंदर हमने Maha, Misbah and Falia, please mute yourself, beta. Maha, mute yourself, beta. Okay, thank you. Sorry for this disturbance. To continue, a line is encountered that contains an incorrect sequence of characters with syntax error. The definition is when we misspell certain commands or we use the statement with incorrect punctuations or we put the unmatched parentheses. These are all the kinds of syntax errors, examples of syntax error in GW Basic. When such errors are pointed by the interpreter of GW Basic, they are GW Basic give such line in edit mode to correct the mistake. Then comes logical error. A program is written to solve a problem. Therefore, it follows an algorithm to solve it. As in previous chapter, unit 4, where we have learned about algorithm and flow charting, you people remember that whenever we encounter any problem for which actually we are going to to perform problem solving activity, so in that process, we first identify the problem, analyze it, and then give a proper problem statement in which we identify certain requirements to write down the algorithm. What is algorithm? Algorithm is step-by-step procedure to solve a given problem. The errors occur due to an algorithm fault is known as logical error. The errors occur due to an algorithm fault is known as logical errors. It means logical errors are those errors which are committed during your logic. It means we have written, a programmer have written an incorrect logic in its algorithm, in, in the algorithm, and that when algorithm is followed in a programming, then it will gives us an incorrect response, an incorrect answer. A program with logical error will not cause the program to terminate the execution, but generated output is wrong. This is the main difference between logical and syntax error. That program with syntax error cannot be compiled or it cannot run. It can't give us any result with syntax error. Whereas with logical error, program gives us output, but that output is not correct output because incorrect logic is followed in that program, in that algorithm. So ultimately, the results are not correct. It means program will be executed, program will be compiled with logical error. It will also give us results or outputs, but these outputs are not correct outputs. Clear? So it means in contrast, logical errors are more dangerous because compiler can't detect such errors. These errors are done by the programmer, by his or her logic, so that's why these errors are also debugged by the programmer. Then What is the similarity between syntax error and logical error? The only similarity is that both are categories of errors in programming. Here comes the contrast. This is the main topic where we have to understand the difference between syntax error and logical error. First point says that a syntax error is an error in the syntax of sequence of characters or tokens that is intended to be written in a particular programming language. Means here we have written in the sequence of characters which is not correct. Whereas the logical error is an error in the program that causes it to be operate incorrectly but not to terminate abnormally. Means your logic is incorrect. Your program will be executed, it will not terminate, but it will not give us correct answer. Occurrence. A syntax error occurs due to fault in the program syntax, whereas logical error occurs due to fault in algorithm. When logic is not correct, then logical error will be generated. Detection. In compiled language, the compiler indicates the syntax error with the location and what the error is. It means compiler or interpreter identifies the syntax errors and it will give us error message report with location and the error type. Whereas the logical error, here the programmer has to detect the error by himself. Compiler or interpreter will not help us to detect the logical errors. Simplicity. It is easier to identify a syntax error, whereas comparatively it is difficult to identify the logical errors. Then comes the example in last. In syntax error, here you can see that PRNIT. This is misspelled statement because print is print incorrect spell, whereas the second example of address is equal to Mansera, here address is a string variable, and string variable must be ended with dollar sign in basic language, so that's why here address is equal to Mansera. Address variable, that is of string type variable, so dollar sign is missing over here. This is also a type of syntax error. If we give the dollar sign in address variable but we miss the double quotes around the Mansera, around this address value, then this double quotation missing is also a type of syntax error. In contrast with syntax, the logical error here, the example is let average is equal to avg, stands for average. This is name of a variable. Avg is equal to 23 plus 54 plus 67 divided by 2. Here you can see that average variable is calculated by summation of three quantities and division by two. So this is also a type of logical error, means sum of three numbers divided by 2 for getting their average. This is a logical mistake because average will be calculated. Here three numbers will be divided, three in the sum of three numbers will be divided by 2 and we will get certain answer. But that no answer is not correct answer. That is not logical answer, because when we need to calculate the average of three numbers, then we have to add them, those three numbers, and divide them by 3 to get the correct average of three numbers. So in this way, these are the examples of logical errors, and such errors can't be detected by the translator softwares of compilers or interpreter. Hopefully the topic is clear now, but if you people have any question, you can ask. Clear? Whereas in next lecture, we will go with arithmetic operators, arithmetic expressions, and assignment operator. Thank you.